Day 4. They're headed back to Florida and they're dropping me off near the Qtr Way Inn, which is the Qtr Way point of the whole AT. Right, this is day 4 where I'm starting from, near Qtr Way Inn, heading northbound now instead of southbound. Should connect the dots. This will be interesting. Very pretty little area up there. I see the white blaze, and that's Joe, Jill, and Michael getting ready to head back to Florida. All right, that shady spot right down there is the road, and you can see it going that way too. I'm up on this pasture with the cattle. I think that path over there is the AT going southbound, and I still have quite a ways to go up to this. This is very pretty up here with the oh my, look at the mountains over here. I'll do a picture of that. Beautiful. So at this point I feel a little less saddened about heading out. Still concerned about the cold night. I have an option to stay at a hostel in about 3 miles, but that's not making any progress. But it would be the coldest night would be done. We'll see. I think I'm just going to go on. I need to do 3 12 days, and this pack is so much heavier now than a day pack with all my winter gear. All right, here comes the cows. Hi guys, girls, ladies. All right. How you doing, huh? How you doing, little guy? Whoop, you scared him. Didn't mean to scare you. Is everybody back there? All right, you can see a much heavier pack. It's got my tent, my sleeping bag, a little bit of extra clothes. Although I've got my rain jacket on for insulation right now. I'll probably have to take that off after a little bit of climbing. But it's a beautiful morning. Absolutely gorgeous. That was fun. I just ran across 4 of the hikers we met at Woods Hole Hostel. They were going southbound. I'm sorry. Yeah, they are going southbound. And now we drove here to Qtr Way, which was 36 miles, at least 36 miles. Oh, more than that. More than that. And they're continuing southbound, real close to where I got dropped off this morning. Kind of nice to see some people that you've already met. All right, we come to the first fence crossing. You got to climb up over this and down. Nice and easy. All right, came from up there, long way down, and around this corner, this nice little stream. It's the first water I've seen in 3 days flowing. We'll be coming up around the corner here to Shady Grove Road. I'll take a picture of that. Oh man, I just stepped in cow crap. God damn it. Well, I was so busy wiping the cow poop off my shoes, I missed my turn. And it's pretty obvious, but I was looking down, wiping my feet on all the grass I could find. So you can see up here, there's another little ladder you need to climb to get over. But this was wide open into that field. So go figure. Here we go. All right, I should have went over this. Pretty obvious now. Oh, I just stepped in again. Oh my God. All right, this is much better. No cow crap to step in. Wow. Well, hopefully it'll wear off before I put my shoes in my tent tonight, or wherever they are. They will smell. Maybe I'll go buy water and kind of wash the bottoms off. All right. All right, now we get to cross the road. This is that stream I've been walking beside for maybe 100 yards. Quite nice. Looks like the trail heads back up over here. We're going to be going uphill again for sure. Look at the sun glistening off of that. For the next 10 miles, the Appalachian Trail travels through a narrow corridor that includes scenic tread, right-of-way easements through private property used outside the trail tread. In this easement, areas require written permission of the landowner. Alright, to the point where I had thought about making a super short day, Bear Garden Hostel, just because it's a hostel. And it's a nice one too. Great reviews. But it's only 11 o'clock and man, that's just too early. I was afraid of tonight. It's going to be a cold night. At this point I'm shooting for about close to a 14-mile day. If I can do it, I'll have 4 walls to be in a shelter. Okay. Been coming down a long way. Just hit those rhododendron green tunnel. Coming up on Knot, K-N-O-T Mall branch shelter. I'm sure that's it. I see a picnic table. And it's noon. Perfect break time. All right. At least I thought there was a shelter here. Where in the hell is it? Well, crap. Huh. Just a picnic table. Well, that's all I really need. Okay, yeah, here's the shelter. Just about 50 yards further. Cool. And a heavy-duty picnic table it is. Awesome. Break time, lunchtime. Wow. At one time I was thinking about just staying here, but nope, not right now. All right there's my water source. It could be it for the night, I don't know. I'm filling up. I've already filled up 1 liter. This is gravity fed. I still have about 8.6 miles to the shelter I want to go to. It could be night hiking. Wow, it's only about 1:15, 1:17, and cloud cover and the wind's blowing down this valley. It feels like it's 5 o'clock at night at least. Oh, I did get some water. That's good. Which way to go? No, what do I do? Well, what everybody else has done for us a while. There's a little path. Everybody's finally made around it. All right. Wow, it's a big tree falling. This is the one with the bridge out that I've heard about where people have had to wade across, but it looks like if I can get over there, I can get across this thing. Oh yeah, this is on the other side of it. When there's any rain at all, this is where the bridge is out and you have to wade across. Looks like I can rock hop. Good. Oh, you have a rope crossing there. That's whenever it's high and running fast. Coming up on VA Route 625. And supposedly a big water cache up here somewhere. I hope so. I'm going to guzzle a bunch of water and then fill up. Let's see what they got here. This looks like a trash can. Or it may be one of those things you fill up with compost. I don't know what's here. Ooh, trash. Okay, I don't care. I don't have much trash. Oh, water! Gotta hope there's some left. No. No. I'm 3.8 from the shelter, the stone shelter. Somebody tell me, is this what they call chicken of the woods? I wish I knew for sure. It's supposed to be good mushroom. All right, it's almost all uphill, about 2,000 feet, 3.8 miles. It's gonna be tough. This is a killer. Seems like I've gone a mile. I've gone 3/10 of a mile. And this baby's still up, up, up. Came from back there in the woods. What a steep climb. I'm still 2.2 miles away from this shelter, Qtr Knob Shelter. This looks like it's starting to open up, so I'm hoping we'll get up to a big field and look up a couple of miles and see it. I'm gonna have to put my rain jacket on to use as a windbreaker. The sun is getting low, really low, and I'm getting cold. But I've had a little bit of sweat, so I wanted to make sure maybe some of that would evaporate before I put my rain jacket on. Oh man, I have another mile to go at least. We're gonna have some views up here. Oh my gosh, finally, it's about 6:30 and here is, what is it, Qtr Knob Shelter. Right there it is. Oh man, I'm exhausted. I wanted to make it because it's enclosed. It's supposed to be cold tonight, so that's the reason to push so hard. What a view.